Do you want to know how to use your member passes for chamber events? My name is Sydney Ray, and this is Chamber Code. If you're familiar with the Mississippi Gulf Coast Chamber of Commerce, then you've probably been to one of our events. Our team works non-stop to provide events that support our mission to connect, inform, advocate, and develop. In fact, we host over 100 events a year, most of which are complimentary for members. What you may not know is that every level of membership comes with complimentary passes to some of our events. We are going to show you how easy it is to register for chamber events and take advantage of those member passes. Whether you browse mscoastchamber.com or use the Member Plus app, you can easily register with your saved information when logged in. First, head over to the Events tab and select Register Now for the event you want to attend. Click Add Attendee and your name and contact information should populate automatically. If you have a pass that is available to this event, a drop-down menu will appear at the top of the screen that says Discount Available. Please select to apply. Once you select the available pass, a message will appear that says Benefit item has been successfully applied. Make any necessary updates to your information, then choose Save Changes. Select Next. You will see a $0 total. Select Next. And it's as easy as that. Use your member passes today.